Hi everyone, in this lecture we are going to talk about place self. Place self property is a shorthand property for align self and justify self. The first value is going to be for align self and the second value is going to be for justify self. So align dash self and the second one is justify dash self. There we go. So I've already created some properties. Let's take a look at them. But before that, let's take a look at our page. So we have selected item number 4 this time. Now, if we say center and center, it's going to be centered vertically and horizontally within its grid cell. We could also say start and end. There we go. End and start. It's going to come down here. Start and start top left. And end and end is going to be bottom right. That's it for this lecture. See you in the next one.